guys, welcome back to Monster Matthew. Today I want to show you something really cool. It's called the guava berry tree, or more exactly, the strawberry guava tree. So it's right over here, right next to my house. And the AC just turned on, but this is the tree right here. And as you can see, look at all these berries. You see those berries right there? Those are the strawberry guava berries. So let me show you what they look like. I just came back from getting a few. I would like to show you guys. So this is what a strawberry guava looks like. It's round and it has a lot of seeds. Down low under the tree, you can see the bark. It kind of has like flaky bark that comes off like this. And it has a cool pattern. And this is what the tree looks like. And if you get one of the leaves, it looks just like this, but don't ever eat anything you don't know about in the wild because you can get really sick. But if you break it in half and you rub it and you smell it, it smells super good, like a guava that you get in a restaurant. Smell that, cameraman. See if it's good.
Smells like a leaf.
Okay, that was really helpful. Okay guys, so it just rained and I'm eating this guava berry, but right over here we have some guava berry trees. So look guys, we started these from seed, from the plant that we got from our neighbors, which we asked first, and he gave us some of the fruit. So we got the fruit and we ate it, and then from the seeds we planted them right here, and now as you see we got our little own guava berry tree. And it's growing pretty big, and we have another one over there, and we put them right next to this tree, so hopefully they can grow big, and then we can cut down this tree that doesn't produce any fruit, and then we can actually get fruit from a tree. So right here, right next to this tomato plant, is another guava berry, and right there is another guava berry. Now they died in the winter, but they've somehow been able to revive and come back. Guys, so now we're going to show you how to make your own guava berry, strawberry guava jelly. So we don't have enough, but we're going to make a batch of it to see how good it is. So, you know, jelly from the store is more expensive, so why not make it at home? If you have access to one of these guava berry trees, you can harvest them, but make sure you get them quick because they do go bad after a few days after picking them. That's why you can't find them anywhere at the store. Okay guys, so I have my ingredients here for the guava berry jam we're gonna make. So I have some coconut sugar, some guava berries of course, and some lemons that I picked from my garden. Okay, so now that we have our sugar and our water measured out, we have a cup of sugar and half a cup of water. We're going to pour the water in, and now we're going to pour the sugar in. And now we're going to mix the sugar up so that it dissolves in the water. And now we're going to squeeze some lemon juice in it. Now we are going to dump the guava berries in. There we go. And now we're going to let it boil for about 30 minutes, I think. That's good. Get some salt in there. Guys, do you notice something about the guava berry's color? It kind of looks like apples. Guys, look how it's cooking. Oh. Hey guys, so now we're going to put the guava paste that we've made so far. Take a look at it. And we're going to put it right in here in the strainer. And, oops. And grab some more. And now we're going to compress it and push it down so that we get the guava paste. Yeah. I present to you the guava berry jam. So we have our finished product, our jelly that we made. Man, it took us a long time. We had to take out all the pulp and all the seeds, but we did it, and now we're gonna try it. Now I'm gonna make myself a cracker sandwich with some guava berry jam. Yeah. Now I'm going to try my delicious cracker sandwich. Wow. Oh yeah, this is good. Man, this is amazing. I'm going for a second bite. The fun thing about it is that you get to spend time with your family. You get to enjoy picking the fruit and making something out of it. And it's amazing how you can turn a guava berry into some delicious guava berry jam. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe. It would help my channel grow. Like, comment how you like this video. Ask me some questions. I can answer them for you. And also ring the bell so you never miss out on any new videos that I post. Alrighty guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye! If this video can get 50 views, I'll post another one.